camera trap set for tigers in Madhya Pradesh got this incredible sight. A rusty spotted cat was captured for the first time in Veerangana Durgavati Tiger Reserve. The rusty spotted cat, Asia's smallest wild cat, weighs under 1.6 kg and is roughly half the size of a domestic cat. Rarely ever caught on camera, the rusty spotted cat is native to India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. Listed as near threatened on the IUCN Red List, the global population of the rusty spotted cat is massively impacted by loss of its prime habitat, the deciduous forests. Also, it is the most trafficked wildcat in the world. India holds an estimated 80% of the global population of this species.